Alright, here we go. BoxBreaksNow.com, March 19th, 2014. We have 2 boxes of Panini Crusade. They were both sold on eBay and on BoxBreaksNow.com. That's where the positions were sold. Here are your teams. Anything blank will be absorbed by BoxBreaksNow.com. If you notice your eBay name has one name, and then if you bought directly through our store and see another name, we'll figure it out when we go to ship, so don't worry about it. There's your teams. Like always, big hits, big shot. Okay. Here we go. We got 2 boxes. Put 1 box aside, make some space. And it's time. Yeah, don't worry about any of the names that you see on the spreadsheet. We have all that stuff in our actual ordering system, so there should be nothing to worry about. We always figure it out. Here you go. First box. And we'll start with Kobe. Kobe flexing. Kobe. 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 And Kobe. Alright, first pack. Kemba Walker, Jordan Crawford, Al Jefferson, standard insert, Crusade card, not numbered. And for the Golden State Warriors, Harrison Barnes. That's a jersey for the Warriors. Ricky Rubio. Next pack. Chris Bosh. Drew Holiday. Marc Gasol, standard insert. Not numbered. And for the Toronto Raptors, Quincy AC Auto for the Raptors. Blank. DeMarcus Cousins. Next pack. Chandler Parsons. Jose Calderon. OJ Mayo. Standard insert. And for the Utah Jazz, Alec Burks Auto for the Jazz. Blank. Gilchrist. Steve Nash. Derrick Rose. David Lee. Standard insert. How about some old school San Antonio Spurs? Nice. Sean Elliott. That's a nice auto there for the Spurs. Back in the 90s. Nice solid vet auto there. San Antonio. Very nice. Blank. Paul Pierce. Stoudemire. Harden. And this is a hit. This would be Grievous Vasquez for the New Orleans Hornets. And that's a red, and that's numbered 12 out of 99. In this case, it would be the Pelicans or whatever I don't know, whatever they call it nowadays. It's a hit for them, for New Orleans. Then we have for the Utah Jazz again, Derek Favors. Derek Favors jersey for the Jazz. Dunleavy. Last pack, first box. Dudley. Here's a royalty, Wilt Chamberlain. Standard insert, royalty. Greg Monroe. Standard insert. And you asked for Derrick Rose. I could give you a jersey. There's Derrick Rose right there. There's a majestic Derrick Rose for the Bulls. Nice card. Alright, Vince Carter. Alright, that's the first box. And we have another one. It's the first time the Kobe pack was not on the top. What does that mean? Does that mean something? Were they protecting something? Are they trying to protect it? Would it be the first time ever I got a hit out of a Kobe pack? Alright, here we go. Box number 2. 2 box, BoxBreaksNow.com. Crusade break. There's Kobe. And Kobe and Shaq. Kobe Duncan. The Kobe card we get in every Kobe pack. And Kobe again. Alright. Lillard. Al Jefferson. And a Serge Ibaka. Oklahoma City, standard insert. And for Golden State, again, a Draymond Green jersey. Brandon Jennings. Anybody wondering if you don't get hits and you want your cards, we also offer options so that you could do that, so that you could get them. We don't intend to keep your cards, so just let us know afterwards. Omar Asik. LaMarcus Aldridge. Vonis, I can't really read this from here. Haslam. Oh, Udonis Haslam. Jeez. That's a standard insert. And for the Philadelphia 76ers, Lavoy Allen, rookie auto. Quest. Hit for the Sixers. Blank. Matthews. Next pack. Dwayne Wade. Alonzo Gee. And how about this? We have a gold for the Philadelphia 76ers, Allen Iverson. Or is that a platinum? Wow. Super short print. That's a gold. 3 of 10. Believe it or not, that is a monster hit for the Sixers. Very nice. You don't see too many of those. And for the Orlando Magic, Daquan Jones. Auto. That's a Quest auto. Here's a blank. Kevin Garnett. Jason Kidd. Alright, so here's a Night Court Joakim Noah. It's a standard insert. I believe the Night Courts are short printed, so that is a hit. Zach Randolph. That's a standard insert. But the Night Courts would be hits. And for the Charlotte Bobcats, Kemba Walker. And that is a nice, you got a stripe in that too, in that jersey there. Very nice. You got like a seam and a stripe. George Hill. Gasol. Noah again. And this will be a hit. And it's Brandon Bass for the Celtics. And it's a hit because it's a red. Numbered 59 out of 99. Hit for the Celtics. And we're going to have a redemption. Panini Crusade Quest autographs. And it's going to be Jordan Hamilton. Jordan Hamilton. Good one. And that is a Quest autographs. And I believe that is the Houston Rockets. So there's a hit for the Rockets. Blank. And Nowitzki. Last pack. Here we go. Fareed, rather. Horford. Ray Allen, standard insert. And for the Mavericks, Darren Collison for the Mavericks. Be our last hit. And Kyrie Irving, base. Alright, so let's do a quick rundown. Here's our standard insert quests. Ray Allen, Zach Randolph, Udonis Haslem, Serge Ibaka, Greg Monroe, David Lee, O.J. Mayo, Gasol, and Al Jefferson. Those are standard inserts, so that if you have any other hits from any of these main hits, you will get those. You will get all your base cards. So, for example, if you have the Mavericks and you got just this jersey, you will get every Mavericks card that came out of this. But here you go. So you got Darren Collison for the Mavericks, Jordan Hamilton for the Rockets, redemption. Brandon Bass for the Celtics. That's a short print. I'll hold these. Kemba Walker for the Bobcats, or Charlotte in general. For the Bulls, Noah Night Court. Night Courts are short printed, I believe, so that's a hit. Daquan Jones for the Magic. Super duper rare gold, Allen Iverson for the Sixers, and that's short printed to 10 with a jersey number 3. And you have number 3. Wow, there you go. Good pickup on that. 3 of 10. Jersey number. Gold Iverson for the Sixers. Nice hit. Lavoy Allen, auto. Draymond Green. Derrick Rose. Here's a royalty Wilt Chamberlain. And I'll tell you what, for the Laker guy, I'm going to call this a hit for you so you get your Lakers cards. It's still Wilt Chamberlain. I mean, come on. It's Wilt. So let's call that a hit, all right? Derek Favors for the Jazz. New Orleans Hornets. Vasquez. That's a red. Here's a cool vet auto. Rather retired auto. Sean Elliott for the Spurs. Very solid auto, too. Alec Burke for the Jazz. Quincy Acey for the Raptors. And the last hit, Harrison Barnes for the Warriors. And there you go. There's your Crusade break. Save the video.